Hi, welcome to Hairat'S kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Kpakpo Shito sauce or spicy green chili sauce. So stay with me and watch me to the end, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This chili goes along with varieties of food, and you can choose to marinate your chicken or meat with it. I'm sure this is going to be your next favorite spicy chili. So I have with me some Kpakpo Shito and scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, and I have some onions and ginger and some cloves of garlic. And I'll transfer my ingredients into a blender and blend. I'm going to fry this chili on a low heat. So I already added some oil in my pan. You can choose to go with vegetable oil, olive oil or even coconut oil. The main purpose of this is to drain out the moisture in the sauce so it can last for a while in your kitchen or in your freezer. Store on the low heat. Allow the sauce to fry for 5 minutes. Yes, and make sure you stir it. The moisture is draining out gradually. And next I'll add some seasoning cube and stir after, and add some salt to taste. Keep stirring. And our chili is almost ready. And make sure you taste it to see if you are okay with the salt and the seasoning cube. And the chili sauce is ready. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, watch other beautiful contents of mine, and bye.